Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. In today's video, I am part of the What Would You Make collaboration. Our hosts are Connie's Woodworking and DIYs and Rustic and Lace DIY. As guest hosts, we have Crafted by Corey. The links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description box. For this DIY, we will need 2 of these beaded wreaths, a wall home decor piece like this, a laser cut family wooden word, and 2 wood pieces. All the materials are from Dollar Tree. First, we will open the wreaths and measure where we want the wire to go through. My markings are at 1.5 inches from the wood's edge and 1.5 inches between the beaded arches. Next, using my handheld drill, I will make some holes to hold the wires in one end and put them through the wood, as you can see here. So, I need to make the wire's end straight to get some beads out and put it through the boards. I will do this for both wreaths. Now that the wires are through, I will glue both boards using tacky glue, put some clamps on, and let it dry. This piece is nice and dry. The next step is to add wooden beads to each wire, create the arches, and glue them for stability. And this is precisely what I want to avoid. This E6000 glue will prevent this from happening. To bring more firmness to this piece, I will attach a small eye hook to hold one of the wires. Next, I will paint the family wooden word black using Waverly paint. I will paint this board white using this paint by Winsor & Newton. I will give it 2 coats and let it dry. To attach the wall home decor piece to the sign, I will use E6000 glue. Finally, I will use tacky glue to bond the wooden word to the sign. Here is the final reveal. Please let me know what you think of this sign in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please consider subscribing for more great content like this. See you next time.